In Business Central, you have within the filter plane views. Let's go take a look. By clicking the filter plane, I can see here filters that we can set to list by or filter totals by. At the top here, you can see views. Now, with these sales orders, I may want to create a filter that says select a customer, which is add item. I can save this view and call it add item. Closing the view will give us now a function next to sales orders where we can show all orders, or we can show add item group orders. Filters are quite creative. Things you can do with this, for example, is let's get back here. Let's go filter the list by completely shipped. Yes. So fully shipped orders. You can have partially shipped orders. You can show, you can do lots of different things. So the conditions are endless. Really, it comes down to what you have within your visible fields, available fields. Let's keep scrolling. So there's a lot here. Okay, so all of these can be used to set a condition within a filter, then for it to be saved. For example, add item. I can click here and remove, hide it, and you can also, from a filter view, let's go create another, filter by customer ski house. Save Alpine. And now you do have the ability to turn around. In another video, we'll show you how you can actually share this across your team and have team-based views and filters. Thank you.